right. So we got two iPads here. This is just a base iPad. This is an iPad with cellular. You can, like, they're from the same generation. You can see this one is clearly a little bit thicker. This is a family member's, and for some odd reason it is not charging. Or, like, as you can see, like, sometimes, let's see if I can get it to show up again. It charges when the cable is at certain angles, which, so there you go. You can see it's on the screen, and then I move it a little bit and it's not. So the problem with this is the charging port. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to go to this donor iPad that I have, and we are going to get the screen removed, and we are going to take the board apart, and we're going to remove the DC jack, the lightning port on it. So start with that. Gonna need some things. We'll definitely need. We're gonna need some suction cups. That. Those. Probably gonna need that. And that. So this is going to be a multi-part, like a multi-day thing, unfortunately, for this. But let's get it going. All right. Okay, first things first, we need to disconnect so all we really need to get to is this. This is all I'm concerned about. So let me take a look at this and see how this is connected. Because if this is just a nice quick, I doubt it, but if this is like a nice quick repair, and all I have to do is remove these screws, and that's what I can do. Let's see how this is actually attached here. Like, I seriously doubt this because, you know, Apple. How did it come off? We need to disconnect this cable first. Yeah. I haven't worked on a Sega CD yet. I have one, I just haven't worked on it yet. Well, now I'm in a learning process. And that goes back over there. So the logic board is this. Pry up the logic board shield. Yeah. So it's saying from this side, it should get in here. And this feels wrong. Yeah, we have a dumpster out back for that. So according to the guide that I'm reading for this, I need to get in here and use there's man, this just feels wrong. So there's no adhesive here. This is just, it's a metal covering I need to get underneath. It's literally that, I just need to get underneath there. Oh, I see. That's just ripping off the board. Back down, you. See, that's like that right there is a valuable learning experience. I would have never thought that that was two separate pieces. There we go. No clue. Had no idea. But now I do. Now I know what I'm supposed to be. Like the next time I go to do this, I know what I'm supposed to be lifting. This cable here needs to come up, off. That comes up. Yeah, that's what this is. Let's re-loosen this adhesive. Let's get back underneath here. Dang it. What is hanging on here? Nothing should be connected. Yeah, no, that should not be connected there. So, after all that, the only thing that I really care about with this whole project is this. Because this is what is wrong on the other iPad that I need to work on. So now we're going to take a look at this and see how this is. I'm going to take a look and see how this is actually connected. This almost looks like it's like one of their little flip ribbon things, but I know it's not. It's nice and solid. I do see two solder joints there. Just trying to ascertain what's under this. Not there. It's this whole thing. So the question is, can this be got a little cut on my finger. Alright, so the question is, can that be lifted? And if so, how is this being held down? Let's try this. Sorry. See if it's adhesive. It is not adhesive. Oh, maybe it is. That's a piece of metal. So, okay, so there's pads underneath there. And those pads, oh wow, this is going to be incredibly difficult. So that's a cable. And right now I'm ripping this off of this board. Let's try something. So this is exactly what I was afraid it is. I ripped one of the pads, as you can see right there. But so this looks like it's pressed onto there to make this connection. See what happens here. You got no sound? So this whole thing comes off this way. Okay. Where do you see a resistor? I see this. That's not a resistor. That's part of... That's this. Unless that's a resistor. Which, if it is, then I'm just going to tell this person to just go buy a new iPad. And this is... It might be, honestly. It might be. Because at first I thought this stuff was on here with like an adhesive. So this is not at all what I thought this was. So what we're looking at right now is the top of a cable. And then this is just the cable cover. And to get this off is what? I'm thinking it's going to be a lot of temperature. Yeah, it's a soldered flat cable. Let's see how it do. It's not like I can add flux to this. Yep. So, in theory, I could replace this. But the question is, would I want to? Yummy. All right. And like this actually looks like, I'm just going to say, surprisingly like clean enough of a removal. Now that I know what it is, and you literally just need to hit it with heat. So let's look at the other end of this, because you can see this is what I think that's what you were seeing, right? Oh, what's this? Oh, that's right, I forgot. So on this there's also the speaker connector, so who knows what that is. But yeah, I should not have done that because I obviously ripped it, and I wanted to use this as like a donor. But I'm pretty sure I could order this. That's unfortunate. Alright, so as far as this is concerned, I now have a spare iPad screen, spare iPad batteries, and spare iPad that. Alright, I'm gonna get this charged up and tell her, like, have her log in and stuff, and we'll make a backup. And then oh, that's charging. Alright, I'm out. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.